So you want to know how you can start a six-figure or multi-million dollar remote cleaning business, right? Right. So I'm going to go ahead and give you 5 steps to get you started. Okay. Step number 1 is going to be research. Research, research, research. I tell people all the time, I don't care what kind of business you're starting, if it's a mom and pop, if it's a grocery store, if it's a beauty salon, if it's a daycare, if it's a school, I don't care what it is. Make sure you do the necessary market research before you start that business. Why is that so important? Research helps you determine what services you're going to offer. It helps you determine the pricing you're going to extend to your clients. It lets you know who your clients are. It lets you know where they are, what locations you're going to serve. This step is very, very important. If you do not take this step seriously, and if you try to skip over this step, your business is going to crumble. It is going to crumble. This is part of the foundation of building your business. A lot of people look over this step because they don't want to go through it or it's intimidating and they don't really know how to do market research. Well, let me give you one idea of how you can do market research. Something as simple as looking up your competitors. Go on Google or any type of search engine, social media, whatever the case may be, go to their website. You can look up your competitor. You can see the services that they offer. You can see how they market. You can see what their pricing looks like. So things as simple as that. Okay. It's not as difficult as people may think it is. There are other ways you can do market research, but the reasons that I just listed, these are some of the ways you can get started very easily. And you will gather the information that you need to build your business. So again, step number 1, market research. Please, please, please do the research before you do anything else. Okay? Stay tuned for part 2 in the next video. Bye-bye.